It'd still be insane. It'd be like, oh, where are you going?
Hey, whose car is that?
Hey, that door's open.
Open it up. What's in there?
It's just another poop. Ooh, it curves.
Just another pooper.
What's up with all these poopers?
Dude, we kept opening it. Dude, we kept opening them last night. We're like, what the hell?
This place sounds so crazy.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, sorry. Dad was about to take on Bolton.
Solid linen?
Dude, don't eat.
Oil linen.
Dude, Wayne was saying that. Dude, we were here. Wait, we were here.
Yeah.
X.
Okay, yeah, we've been over here.
Yeah, we've been around here. Dude, we must have not went too far because we didn't notice that.
This huge.
I think we opened that. Devin, we opened up everything. Oh, one door's got to get us to the
I
fourth
don't
floor
even know
because we were
how
there
we
yesterday.
got. I don't even know how we got to where we're at as of right now.
No good.
Right now, I don't know how we got.
So if we just left you here, Devin, you would not know how to get back
I would
downstairs.
not know how. I'd like walk in circles for like a day.
Dude, we were here for like 4 hours. We had no idea where we were going. It's like, where to now? It's like, I don't care.
Anywhere.
Did we come through there?
I think so.
What is this?
I should keep my eye on the
Look at all
screen
this
here.
space. Just set up.
Ridiculous parking up here.
You could during the day have
Dude,
a day
automatic
party
lighting.
here.
Yeah, no shit.
Dude, seriously, automatic lighting's kicking in.
We gotta
What
have a
do you-
day party here. Like just an insane party.
What if I flip the switch?
Just
What
like
is that?
kegs. Like 5 kegs and
Oh.
like 150 people.
Why don't we just turn this into a liquor store? Just be like, stories of liquor.
I am the liquor.
Dude, there's the door we just came in.
Yeah, that is the door we came in, number 22.
Zoom in on.
that shit up there.
What shit up there? Oh my! Where is that?
I don't know.
Let's do it.
Down floor though.
We gotta go down a floor and then over somehow. We gotta get up into that. That's like a huge.
Wait, come on.
No, we tried doing this because I was like, look at those windows up there.
Hey, we tried doing it, but we couldn't figure it out. It's like, oh, goddamn this
We need
place.
blueprints.
There was like blueprints to the one in like Denver or something.
Yeah, but they're built similar.
Yeah, like
You know,
the
so it's
shape
like-
is like the same.
Most of it's pretty similar to what the hell happened in there.
He's going here first.
Uh-oh.
Look,
I think we just got locked in, to tell you the truth.
Devin, it should be fine. Buzz 1? That's fine.
I heard it click and I was like, oh.
Devin, we're fine.
Like any other
Devin, stop being so goddamn paranoid.
Adult program is right here.
Yeah, well, this is where the pornos were shot. That's what they mean by adult program.
I was right here.
Oh, yeah, we were here because I did that.
I put that cigarette out right there.
Did I open up the trash can and just laid it there? Yeah, today, Devin. We were here and then we waited for you.
We were in this hallway.
Dude, fire hose and sex? Seriously?
I'm an adult. I drew that on there, I'm not gonna lie.
Fire hose and sex? Who the hell did that? Somebody else is going to see all that writing on there. They're going to be like, what the hell? These Dutch jaws are crazy. It's going to be like that.
There's already some ridiculous shit wrote on the wall. Like, what is that?
I don't know. Poop?
Obviously.
Poop?
No, it's just, look at that piece of glass.
Oh, that's it. Oh, what the
It's
heck?
like flooded on top.
Oh, sorry. Cracked window right there. This room ain't gonna cape a nut case in. He's just gonna punch right through there, or just open it.
What is this? Lock security system box? Yeah, they have like keys. That's insane. Yeah.
Let's break it down and get some meds on there.
Shane and David went together. They were
Shane
partners.
and David probably are nuts.
They're probably gay.
They were partners.
This is a small ass room for Shane and David.
Yeah, one bed. And, think about it, Devin. Probably not even a bunk bed either, you know?
Come on, Dean lived in this one.
Yeah, Dean was by himself. He was the man, I tell you.
He had a huge
Did Deb?
He's probably too good nuts to like get a different room with somebody
Did
else.
Larry and Kim?
Larry and Kim banged. He was like, well, we're in here.
I had crazy insane asylum sex.
I don't do
What is sapphic? Eyebrow?
I don't know. Yeah, what's this one here say?
It says it over here too.
Dude, it says, I don't know, it says Missy, but it's spelled backwards.
That's insane.
People are nuts.
These people were nuts. They knew how to spell backwards.
Oh, they're so nuts they know how to spell backwards.
Dude, like Charlie on It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, he's dyslexic. He just writes notes that are like nobody could read.
I'm gonna prank call some of these people like, help, I'm stuck. You can't surf that shit. Apparently somebody had a motorized like cart down here or something.
Yeah, in one of the tunnels, and it vandalized, cost $3,000 worth of damage. Yeah, I think that's bull plop.
Look at this guy. Look how intense this dude was.
Panel's method, Parnell's meth addiction. What's wrong with this guy? Why is his face all
I think he tried to
smashy?
kill himself or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Absolute devastation of methamphetamine.
Dude, look at that guy's face.
That chick looks familiar. Before he attempted to by shooting himself in the head with an SKS assault rifle.
Look what I did.
What? What do you mean? What do they mean by that?
He has fun with his appearance. What? Lays an impact and will forget. I have an SKS. That's weird.
Hey, go to sleep, bitch.
Go to sleep. Did you write that?
Oh,
I don't know what you're talking about, Devin.
What is this? Exit stairs? Upstairs.
Probably go straight outside.
My dog works here every day.
Oh, no.
Yeah, staying here?
I'll bust through these fucking windows.
Yeah, that place right there is the one that so we're a ways from that.
Yeah, so they're not gonna know.
Yeah, no, they're on the
They're not gonna be like, oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, no. This is pretty intense.
I spit there. That stuff's classic, man. You sure this door is locked?
What does this mean?
Elopement risk? Elopers?
This is where you came to get eloped?
You locked or what?
Yeah, it's the one with the key now.
Oh.
That it goes downstairs.
Dude, that was... I wouldn't call it a problem. I wouldn't call it a problem.
Who wrote that? Can you really? I wonder.
Must have been Wade. I know, he used proper grammar, so it's like, wait, that's a little nerdy.
Let's live in here. Like they put their names on their door so they wouldn't forget.
So you don't forget where they go.
Jennifer Marcel.
Ooh, this floor is kind of weak over
You
there.
just hear all this. This must be the treatment part.
Okay, fix me a sandwich or something.
The drug treatment. There's like writing on the walls and shit. It's like drugs, not bugs or something. Not drugs or...
Oh, this
This is
here.
probably dope these.
Oh, this here's the other porch
I
area.
bet you they just dope those like addicts up to like thinking that they're like.
Shit's classic.
Let's
Go up there.
go to. Let's go.
Oh, there's a car down there.
Whoa.
Okay.
White car.